For anyone looking for an F350 without the weight, we have a 2022 in stock. Powerstroke diesel. This truck just arrived. We did use it to go pick up a load of trailers, so it does have 700 miles on it. As brand new as they get. Does have the medium size screen. The 22 of course came with the huge screen, an itty bitty screen. This is the medium size screen. Power options, factory trailer brake control, 6-passenger seating, 776 miles, steering wheel controls. We do have plans to customize this truck. We've been waiting on this truck for quite some time. Atlas blue. We also have one of these in black. One of the two is going to get a lift kit, tires, wheels, tinted windows, accessories, bed, covers, side steps, you name it. But at this moment, this one arrived first. We do have a couple others that we're waiting on, but right now for like the next realistic 30 days, it's this one and the black one. So if you're looking for one in stock for real, not a waiting game and an empty promise, here it is. $79,995, not 100 grand like a lot of people are wishing for. 80 grand buys you this truck. That is out the door with us unless we are doing DMV work. That is a take it home price. Factory warranty still in effect. Check this truck out or any others in stock and available.